few moments, we're going to be revealing how you can earn money every day just by using Google Images. We're going to be showing you the step-by-step process to today's method. So as you can see over here, this guy's earned $1.01, this one $1, this one $19, and so on and so forth. And as you can see over here, there are at least 4,000 people earning money from today's method, and this is all of their payment proof. And the payment count is at least $243,000. We're going to show you how you're exactly going to do this with Google Images. Now, this method is completely free, wherein you don't need to make any cash advancements or investments whatsoever, and this method is available worldwide. The earning potential for today's method is absolutely insane. Every single day, you can earn $35 from 5 Google Images. And when you do 15 Google Images, you can earn $105. And when you do 30 Google Images, you earn $315. Earning potential is insane, and you can do this method over and over again, so you can earn unlimitedly. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you don't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now, this method is completely free. This method is worldwide available, and we want to know what country you're from, so comment that down below so we can make more YouTube videos that will be available to you. Let's just go ahead and start this whole method. Our method for today can be done on your laptop or on your phone, and both. Our first step to today's method is to go on www.upload-forever.com. On this website, you can utilize Google Image to make a lot of money every single day. This is so much easier than you actually think, so make sure that you pay close attention. So what exactly is Up Forever? It is the center to upload files and images, which, as well as being free, it pays you, so you can make money from home. As you can see here, this is how much you can earn from this website by uploading images. So if someone downloads your image that is 0 to 2 MB, you can earn $7, and that's for tier 1. Which means if the person that downloaded your image is from the US or is from Canada, you will earn tier 1 rates. If you scroll down, you'll see that if the person who downloads your image is coming from the US or Canada, their download is considered as tier 1. If they're from Australia, they'll be considered tier 2. So you'll be receiving tier 2 rates. If they're from Saudi Arabia or UAE, that's tier 3, so you will be receiving tier 3 rates. And if they're from other countries that weren't listed down in the past 3 tiers, like for example the Philippines, they would be a part of tier 4, which means you will be paid tier 4 rates. Now, these tiers determine how much you earn, right? Now, you may think that this isn't exactly a lot, but you have to remember that you earn per download. So if a lot of people from different tiers download your image, then you can definitely collect a lot, since that can really increase. In just a moment, we're going to be showing you how you can upload your Google Images so you can start profiting from this website. Now, as you can see here, these are all the payouts listed down, and again, we know it isn't a lot of money, but remember that you can do this method repeatedly. So if you get 40 or 50 downloads, you will right away see your passive income coming in. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Also, comment down below about what you think about today's video and if you love it. Now let's continue. Now you obviously have to sign up for an account, so all you need to do is click on the sign up button right here, and then you should see this next. What you're gonna have to do is provide all of the sign up details being asked. Go ahead and provide your username and then your password twice, and then email, and then your payment info and payment method. And as you can see, they have a lot of payment method options that you can choose from, whatever is most convenient for you. Now comment down below what payment method you prefer the most so that we can make more videos based off of your recommendations. Once that's all done, confirm you're not a robot and then sign up, and boom, you've signed up just like that. Warning! Make sure that you upload appropriate images, alright? And don't go against any of the website's violations. And also, pro tip, if your upload isn't working, make sure that you've turned off your ad blocker if you have any, because that could be the reason why you're not able to upload. Now go on google.com and then proceed to type in the search bar Google Images and click on the first result, which is images-Google. And then you'll be redirected to Google Images basically. And now we want you to go ahead and search sunset, and then you'll see all of the search results of images of sunsets. This is very profitable because a lot of people actually like downloading these types of images, believe it or not, especially for wallpapers. So go ahead and type in sunset wallpapers HD instead. So now you'll see even better quality sunset wallpapers that you can download from Google Images for completely free. Then you can go back to upload-forever and proceed to upload the images that you just downloaded, and then just like that, anyone else who downloads the photos that you uploaded, you can earn $3 to $7 for that. And just like that, you earn. This is also how everyone else is earning passive income like this. Now we're going to be showing you a bonus trick because some images here on Google have copyright. So the first step is to click on settings right here and to go ahead and click on advanced search. We then want you to look for users' rights, which you will find in the bottom part of the page that we are in. And as you can see, it says all over here, but since we're uploading this on another website, we need to only see images that are free to use, so without copyright. So just click on that and then choose commercial and other licenses, and then that should filter all those that you can use for free and share for free so that you won't have to worry about copyright or anything like that. So basically, to download, you're just going to choose whatever you want and then right click and then select save image as, and now you're going to have to give that photo a name. So make sure you save this image as something that other people would look up and actually download. So let's name it Sunset Wallpaper HD for high quality, and then save that image. Just like that, you've successfully downloaded it on your laptop for free. So basically, just go ahead and click on upload files, and when you're ready to choose a file, it will then open a new tab wherein you're going to choose your file to upload and then select it, and that's it. You will earn. Now you need to put a description, which is also very important. So this is basically where you will need to put in the keywords. So go ahead and type in sunset and then maybe sunset wallpaper and then sunset wallpaper HD. And it's a very important step that you add these keywords because it gives somewhat like a boost to your image, and more people will easily find it and can download it, and then you can earn from that. Then make sure it's public. Okay, once that's all done, click on start upload. Once it's downloaded, you can actually click on the file to show all of its info, and then that is it. So do this step over and over again. Upload as many free images as you can so that a lot of people can download from you, and you can start earning passive income today. Just follow all of these steps properly for every image that you want to upload in upload-forever.com. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click on the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.